So today we are focusing on polynomial division. So I'm going to show you two ways in which I can divide polynomials. I can divide them with the long division method, and I can divide them using the synthetic method. So let's start with polynomial long division. Because again, to divide polynomials, you have to go back. So let's go back to 5th grade for a minute, and let's try the long division approach. Because that's basically the traditional approach to do polynomials is through long division. So I'm gonna set it up. X minus 1 divided into x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 3. And we're gonna think long division. Now, to do the long division method, the x does all the dividing, and the minus 1 is not even included in the division process. So x divides x cubed, x squared times. So I'll put x squared here. So x squared times x is x cubed minus x squared times 1 is x squared. So here we subtract, change the signs. So this positive changes to a negative, and this negative x squared changes to a positive. So we subtract, so the x cubes cancel out. So negative 3x squared plus x squared gives me negative 2x squared, and we bring down the next term. Just like we bring down the next digit in long division, we bring down the next term. Okay? And we start the process all over again. X divides negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times. Because negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. So I have negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times negative 1 is positive 2x. Okay? We subtract. We change the signs. So this negative turns to a positive, and this positive changes to a negative. And so we subtract. The 2x squareds cancel out. So negative x minus 2x is negative 3x. And we bring down the next term, which is minus 3. And so we do the process all over again. X divides negative 3x, negative 3 times. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 1 is a positive 3. Okay, so we change the signs, and we subtract, change the sign. So the 3x cancels out, and I got negative 3 minus 3. I got a negative 6. And the process stops. So this means that this negative 6 is my remainder. So to write this up as an answer, I would have x squared minus 2x minus 3 minus 6 over x minus 1. So this becomes my final answer in long division. Okay? Are there any questions with the long division process? Very good. Okay, so moving over to here, the synthetic is a lot easier. It is so much easier to do synthetic. So, in order to do synthetic division, I'm going to start with my divisor. So x minus 2, I'm going to set that to equal 0. And I'm going to take that little small equation and solve for x. So if I add 2 to both sides, here and here, x equals 2. Now I'm going to take this 2, okay? I'm going to take the 2 here. Now from the polynomial, I'm only going to use the coefficients of the polynomial. X, stay out of it. So I'm going to take the x cubed term, which is 1, the x squared term, which is negative 4, the x term, which is 6, and the plain number term, which is 4, and I'm going to go through the division process. The first digit always drops. So 1. I don't have to worry about changing signs and all of that because when I took this little equation to solve for x, I dealt with my sign issue. So here, my sign issue, done. It's dealt with. So now I'm going to multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 6 minus 4 makes 2. 2 times 2 is positive 4. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So now I got all these digits here, okay? So now I'm going to translate what the answer is from here, okay? Synthetic is by far my best method because I'm not dealing with x's and changing signs and all of that. I dealt with my changing sign issue over here. So this is my x squared term. So this 1 represents x squared. X squared minus 2x plus 2. The last digit here represents your remainder. I don't have a remainder, so my remainder here is 0. So x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 4 divided by x minus 2 is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2. Okay? Are there any questions with that? Wonderful. Okay? And when you come back from break, which is like this week and next week, we're going to talk about synthetic division. We're going to talk about long division for polynomials. Okay? All righty. See you soon. Bye.